Namaskar, good evening. You're watching the News Hour at 9 and I'm Swati Joshi. A day after leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi's long-winded meandering lecture on so-called vote chori, today it was the turn of Union Home Minister Amit Shah to respond. And Shah dropped the spin and delivered some straight talk. Never one to mince words, he shred the opposition's carefully woven narrative that their political failures are somehow the result of voter roll rigging. Shah's counter was blunt. BJP has lost more elections than it has won and yet never questioned the Election Commission. He asked, if electoral rolls are corrupted, why does the opposition even contest elections? Shah then dismantled point by point every claim the opposition has been aggressively amplifying. The same talking points the nation has heard on loop, but the sharpest strike came when Shah turned the spotlight back on the Gandhi Parivar to drive home his point. To those questioning the EVM, Shah reminded EVMs were introduced under Rajiv Gandhi in 1989, and then he rolled the tape further back to 1951 when under Jawaharlal Nehru a law was passed that no election can be challenged after 45 days. A law that has now become the very reason CCTV footage can be deleted after that period, after 45 days. And finally, the closing argument. The definition, according to the Home Minister, of real vote chori and the names he put in the dock: Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi.
आजादी के बाद देश का प्रधानमंत्री तय करना था। अब 28 वोट श्री सरदार पटेल को मिले और 2 वोट जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी को, और साहब प्रधानमंत्री जवाहरलाल जी बने। श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी रायबरेली से चुनी गई। इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट में श्री राजनारायण पहुंचे कि चुनाव नियमों के अनुसार नहीं हुआ। इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट ने ये तय कर दिया कि श्रीमती गांधी ने उचित तरीके से चुनाव नहीं जीता है, हम इसको रद्द कर दें। उसके बाद में वो वोट चोरी को ढकने के लिए संसद में कानून लाया गया कि प्रधानमंत्री के खिलाफ कोई केस ही नहीं हो सकता। अभी अभी एक वाद पहुंचा है, वाद मतलब डिस्प्यूट पहुंचा है दिल्ली की सिविल अदालत में। उसमें डिस्प्यूट ये है कि सोनिया गांधी जी इस देश की नागरिक बनने से पहले मतदाता बने।
But the masterclass didn't end there because the final swoop was brutal. Amit Shah didn't just rebut, he drew a direct target on Rahul Gandhi's back. He diagnosed with surgical clarity the real reason behind this obsessive, almost pathological attack on the SIR exercise. Amit Shah told the Congress point blank, stop blaming EVMs, stop crying vote chori, blame your leader for your serial defeats. And then came a warning. Sans any sugarcoating, more routes are coming. But if you heard what Priyanka Gandhi said in the House on Monday, Congress seems to have pretty much made up its mind.
मान्यवर मैं अभी भी कहना चाहता हूं, SIR का विरोध करोगे तो बिहार की जगह बंगाल और तमिलनाडु में भी साफ। हारने का कारण आपका नेतृत्व है, ये हारने का कारण EVM और मतदाता सूची नहीं। भगवान करे मैं गलत पड़ जाऊं, कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता इनका हिसाब मांगेंगे। एक दिन कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता इनका हिसाब मांगेंगे कि इतने चुनाव कैसे हार गए।
आप चुनाव के लिए, हम देश के लिए हैं। हम जितने भी चुनाव हारे, हम यहाँ बैठे रहेंगे और आपसे लड़ते रहेंगे और आपकी विचारधारा से लड़ते रहेंगे।
Well, the truth bombs clearly proved too hot to handle for the Congress and the entire opposition because the moment Amit Shah turned the spotlight on their own record, they staged a collective walkout. This is the very discussion the opposition had demanded, insisted, protested for inside the parliament. But the second the government laid down facts, timelines and hard evidence, they simply walked out.
मैंने कहा कि EVM का आर्किटेक्चर उसके बारे में एक शब्द नहीं कहा। मैंने कहा था कि बीजेपी के नेता हरियाणा में और बिहार में वोट दे रहे हैं, उसके बारे में नहीं कहा। मेरे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में सॉलिड प्रूफ है, उसके बारे में कुछ बोला नहीं।
Amit Shahji's speech was more of a WhatsApp university world, and he was speaking about vote chori in 1952, 1948 and others, which is very ridiculous because in that time the decision was taken by Mahatma Gandhi ji.
Now today, Rahul Gandhi may have walked out of the house, but in just 5 days, he'll be flying out of the country. And not for any official diplomatic engagement, not for a government-mandated visit, but for an event hosted by the Indian Overseas Congress. A private event right in the middle of the winter session. And yes, as always, Sam Pitroda will be by his side. The irony? The very leader of opposition who recently complained he's prevented from meeting foreign dignitaries will also be meeting German government ministers in Berlin. So much for being blocked. The Congress said the winter session was too short. It ends on 19th of December, but Rahul Gandhi's priorities clearly lie elsewhere. No wonder the BJP has a new title for him, Leader of Paryatak.
हमेशा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जब पार्लियामेंट चलता है विदेश में रहता है, बाद में बोलते हैं हमको बात करने के लिए हमको मौका नहीं मिलता है, रहते इधर नहीं हैं। और जब चुनाव चल रहा था बिहार में तब भी फॉरेन में था। ही इज ए पार्ट टाइम नॉन सीरियस पॉलिटिकल लीडर।
विपक्ष ये कह रहे हैं कि राहुल जी जो है वो पर्यटन पर जाते हैं।
Almost half his working time outside the country. Why are they raising questions on the leader of the opposition traveling?
No wonder LOP means leader of Paryatan and partying. Rahul Gandhi is permanently on vacation and foreign tour mode.
राहुल गांधी जी वो व्यक्तिगत तौर पे कौन सी यात्रा करते हैं, कहां जाते हैं, ये सवाल पूछने का अधिकार समाजवादी पार्टी समझती किसी को नहीं। सबका अपना निजी जीवन है और सब अपनी निजी यात्राओं पे जाते हैं।
वेल, उनके दौरों के बारे में मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ, लेकिन ये सबके लिए बहुत ही प्रत्यक्ष है कि क्यों उनकी जो पार्टी है वो सिंगल डिजिट पे आ गई है।
राहुल जी जमीन के है, वहाँ जाने का पीछे का जो है वो 2 दिन के बाद वापस आने वाले हैं, वो पार्लियामेंट में ही बताएंगे। उनके सब जगह में गांधी परिवार दिखता है, राहुल गांधी का डर है और इसलिए वो इस तरह की बकवास करते रहते हैं।
So you heard all the reactions coming in from both the government and the opposition, and that brings us to the legitimate question that we are asking tonight. By planning an official foreign visit during Parliament session, has Rahul Gandhi proved Home Minister Shah's claim that Congress must blame its leader for their poll losses, not vote chori? Let's take that across to our guests.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining us tonight on the panel are Dr. Ajay Alok, National Spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Ishkaran Bhandari, Advocate Supreme Court, Sujata Pandey, Political Analyst, Tausif Rahman, National Spokesperson TMC, Vivek Silas, National Spokesperson Samajwadi Party, Kishore Tiwari, Political Analyst, Tehseen Poonawalla, also a Political Analyst. Good evening to all of you. Tehseen Poonawalla, the Home Minister says the real problem of the Grand Old Party is not vote chori or anything else. These are just excuses they are hiding behind. The real problem is leadership problem. There's a problem with their leader who can't sit through the Home Minister's response to the very questions that he has raised. Not just a walkout from the Parliament. In a couple of days, he'll be flying out as well.
Good evening, Swati. Thank you so much for having me on the show. Good evening to all my fellow panelists and to all your viewers. The most honorable Home Minister of India, who election after election is busy managing the BJP, and we understand that in Bihar he was entrenched there. Manipur continues to burn, by the way. The fact of the matter is, he's bothered about what is going wrong with the opposition party. Is that his argument? So the questions that were asked by the opposition, he didn't answer that. His solution was, oh, your leadership is bad. Then you should have answered the question, can anyone answer why is there an SIR in Bengal and Uttar Pradesh and only an SR in Assam? And please don't tell me this NRC issue, because if there is an NRC that was done and there were 19 lakh Guspetias, Vivek bhai, 19 lakh Guspetias, why has not one been removed from Assam? The same SIR, which opposition is wrong criticizing. The most honorable Home Minister, I heard him speak today in Parliament, very eloquent. He said opposition will lose. You cannot criticize the SIR. The same SIR is being criticized by the BJP in Bihar, in Bengal. Why? Why Bengal BJP leaders saying we don't want the SIR? The SIR process is wrong. They wo kare to chamatkar, hum kare to gunegar. Let's come to the third thing. These 11 documents that if your name does not come on that list, of course the software is not working, so many people have committed suicide, and I'm coming to the BLOs committing suicide. But if your name does not come, you have to see these 11 documents in Uttar Pradesh or in West Bengal. Why do you not have to see these 11 documents in Assam, where actually NRC is done and citizenship is being done? There you will not see the 11 documents. Now, my leader is bad, Akhilesh ji is bad, Uddhav ji is bad, everyone is bad, Mamta ji is bad. Amit Shah ji and Modi ji are very good, and we agree on that. Did one of them say that they felt bad for one BLO committed suicide? Swati, didn't your eyes swell up with tears when the BLO came on camera and said what happened?
Do you know what the Supreme Court said on the BLO deaths or the suicides?
So
that it's the responsibility of the state government to ensure, to lessen the burden.
I
also,
agree.
since you've highlighted
May I just make one point? Just one point.
Okay.
You are absolutely right. The video that I refer to was in the state of Uttar Pradesh. It's a double engine, triple engine, 4 engine sarkar. I am asking you, Supreme Court that said this. Did the most honorable Home Minister, did the most honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh shed one tear? People are committing suicide. Is it not my duty as opposition to raise these questions?
Absolutely.
I am raising this question. You're saying my performance is bad. My performance may be bad. Is that why my BLOs are committing suicide?
Okay. Okay.
Is that the reason why, Ajay bhai?
Since you've highlighted the questions that the Home Minister has not answered, I will assume, Tehseen, and then you can come in always. I'll assume that you agree with the Home Minister when the Home Minister says during UPA, as per the Prime Minister's direction, on the advice of the Council of Ministers, the election commissioner was chosen.
Yes.
It all happened on the direction of the Prime Minister. No questions asked, no clarity or transparency as well. Then you would also agree with the Home Minister today that the question of immunity that Rahul Gandhi raised was actually provided to the CECs and the ECs in 1951, part of the RPA 1951. When was it brought? When Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister. Then I would assume that you would also agree with the Home Minister that since you can file petitions only within 45 days of elections, that's the reason why the CCTV footage is also kept within just 45 days, deleted later after that. A provision once again part of the RPA brought when Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister. So those questions have been answered?
No,
you agree with the Home Minister on that?
Not at all. The most honorable Home Minister, with respect, misguided this great nation of ours through Parliament. Let me say the first thing. Yes, the Prime Minister in earlier regimes did appoint on the advice of the Council of Ministers, as is Atal ji. But it was after that in 2023 that the most honorable Supreme Court said that you must bring in the CGI. And it was after that the CGI was dropped.
Until a law is passed in the Parliament.
Swati,
The initial constitution of the committee was only until a law is passed in the Parliament, which did not happen 73 years after the independence.
Swati, I've understood the question. Just give me 30 seconds.
Go ahead.
Until 25 years ago, there was only Doordarshan. Now you have private channels. So now can I say because you had only Doordarshan, why do you have Times and News?
Interesting.
No. You have to evolve. Supreme Court, you have to see the spirit of what Supreme Court said. The spirit was dropped. You went to the letter. Now let's talk about immunity. The immunity given to the Chief Election Commissioner and election commissioners did not involve immunity from criminality, which has now been added into the third point, 45 days.
Okay.
I will end here. Here is my friend Kishore Tiwari. So many of my MLAs or MLA candidates in Maharashtra have gone to court. Their petitions are not come out. Maharashtra election kab hua? But a fake petition, saying that this was a fake election came up, got heard, got dismissed. So Ajay bhai can say, "Dekho, aap to haar gaye Bombay High Court mein. So did you make a law that all the petitions should also be heard in 45 days?
Okay, Tehseen Poonawalla, it's not like you are just evolving today. In 1991 also, you had an opportunity. You had an opportunity in 1991 as well to set things right. But what happened in 1991? You fixed the salaries of the Chief Election Commissioner and the Election Commissioner, still did not lay down clear guidelines on the appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner. Because things were going your way, the Prime Minister had a right to forward a name to the President, and that got accepted. Let me bring in Dr. Ajay Alok. You will not respond. One second.
Atalji didn't think of
yes, twice.
Modi ji,
twice.
Modi ji
They also had the chance. They also had the chance to do the same thing twice. But apart from that, the UPA enjoyed that right more than the Bharatiya Janata Party. And they are evolving. They are evolving. They are changing the system now. Let Ajay Alok come in. The spirit of Supreme Court has been changed. Ajay Alok.
First of all, if you're mentioning 1991, then in 1991, one more significant thing happened. Normally, the rule is that if during an election, an MP candidate dies, if he's from a recognized political party, the election for that constituency is countermanded. Unfortunately, Rajiv Gandhi died in 1991, and not only Amethi, but the entire election got postponed for 2 months. Where was the constitution then? And what election commissioners were doing then? And Tehseen, I know, is a very smart man. He's trying to deflect today's debate into unnecessarily useless issues. Today's issue was SIR, which the opposition was demanding for the last 6 months. They were creating ruckus, did not let parliament function, vote chori and all this drama kept on happening in Bihar and every places. And today, when the discussion was going on, they ran away from the parliament with the tails down. And this is the message what has gone all over the country, that you can't listen to what you have done. And I'm amazed at how Tehseen is defending. I mean, Tehseen, do you really agree that a leader of opposition should have this much intellect, or his think tank team should have this much intellect that he can pose a question that how CEC is enjoying immunity when this immunity was there from 1952? How could Rahul Gandhi, a LOP of India, 140 crore people, he's leader of opposition, and he's raising silly questions? I mean, just look at the kind of grey matters he has. It's a pity for our country.
Ajay bhai, the immunity
It's a
from
pity for our
1952
country.
was not a blanket immunity.
And listen to me.
Once again,
In the coming
no
days,
suit,
coming days,
prosecution or other legal proceedings.
in coming days.
Okay, finish your point. Finish your point.
Even if he cannot be removed, he has to be impeached by the parliament. So there's a proper immunity right from 1952. But look at his level, what kind of question he poses, and my answers are not given. And his every answer was given. What was vote chori? Right from Nehru to Indira Gandhi to Sonia Gandhi, name in the voter list, in spite of not being a citizen. Everything was mentioned. Problem is, you guys are with infiltrators. Their infiltrators are your vote bank, and their deletion from the name, from the voter list, is causing you pain. This was also clarified, and that's why they ran away from the parliament, because that is the only vote bank they are left with.
Okay. Real issue, Tausif Rahman, was the issue of infiltrators, Ghuspetia, because every other question of Rahul Gandhi was answered, says Ajay Alok. That's what the Home Minister also said in the parliament, कि घुसपैठियों का vote चाहिए. That's the reason why they've raised this issue.
No, Swati, good evening. First of all, tell me who is supporting the Ghuspetia? Tehseen, Tausif, Ajay Alok ji, कौन? आप? No one is doing that.
जो electoral reforms को oppose कर रहा है वो.
No. Let me complete, Swati ji. But I want to quote our National General Secretary, Shri Abhishek Bandopadhyay. Point 1, Swati ji, just give me time. And I would hear Alok ji also. Bangladeshis have been arrested in Tripura last week. Why not SIR there? Point 2, from Pulwama, Pahalgam to Delhi blast, terrorists entered the border, killed our people, went away smoothly. Where was our honorable Home Minister? Chilling at home? I don't know. Point number 3, more than 6 other states shares border with Bangladesh. No SIR there. Point 4, Myanmar doesn't even share border with Bengal, but shouting out lungs about Rohingyas, but SIR in Bengal, but not in Assam. Isn't this open threat to democracy? Point number 5, quickly I'll finish. A pregnant woman was sent to Bangladesh despite having all the documents cleared in the court. Finally, Trinamool Congress government bought her back with the help of the court orders. What you call on this? This shows how the EC has failed and has become the Bhajpa Commission of India. So, Swati, it's as simple as that. Rahul Gandhi कहाँ घूमने जा रहे, क्या करने जा रहे? That's not important.
Why is it not important? No, why is it not important? The parliament session is underway. The LOP says he's not given an opportunity to speak. Before the session is over, Rahul Gandhi wants to go to Germany. And this is, one second, this is an IOC event for which he is going. वो बाद में भी हो सकता है. हो जाने दीजिए parliament का session. Why is it not important?
End of the day, my Prime Minister, your Prime Minister, 140 crore Prime Minister is Shri Narendra Modi Sahab. My Home Minister is Shri Amit Shah Sahab.
Who is responding, but the opposition is walking out of the parliament, sir.
So multiple, again.
One second, Tausif ji, the Shri that you are adding, Home Minister was in the parliament, he was responding to all the questions that have been raised, the opposition staged a walkout. Why?
See, whatever he said, तो क्या वो पाकीज़ा हो गया?
Whatever नहीं है, पार्लियामेंट के रिकॉर्ड में वो बोल रहे हैं, आप चैलेंज कीजिए ना. तौसीफ जी पाकीज़ा नहीं हुआ तो आप उसको चैलेंज कीजिए, प्रूव कीजिए कि गलत बात कर रहे हैं.
I want to talk about today. This India doesn't want to hear about 1930, 1940.
क्यों नहीं? Why not? And how can you decide what this India wants? How can you decide what this India wants? How can you decide what India wants? How can you decide? आपने कोई रेफरेंडम किया है, आपने कोई कैंपेन चलाया है पूरे देश में, लोगों से फीडबैक आप ले रहे हैं कि कौन क्या सुनना चाहता है, क्या नहीं सुनना चाहता है। तौसीफ, this is a
गलत है क्या सही है?
No. This is not the right way to justify. First of all, you should not justify walking out of the parliament when you are asking questions. You should be there to listen to the Home Minister's reply. Then you are also justifying the LOP leaving the country. I want to go across to Vivek Silas. Vivek Silas, आप क्या स्टैंड लेंगे? फखरुल हसन चांद समाजवादी पार्टी के कहते हैं ये उनका पर्सनल मैटर है, nobody can ask that question. IP Singh कहते हैं राहुल गांधी बने ही क्यों लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन if he has to go to Germany or other places in the middle of the session?
No, I'll just say, Swati ji, that what happened in the parliament today was between Rahul Gandhi and Amit Shah ji, you know. Rahul Gandhi also challenged Amit Shah inside the house that let's have a debate on the 3 press conferences that he had regarding the election commission and vote chori. And Amit Shah had no reply on that. He didn't say anything, not a word. Then it came in 1980. Why was Sonia Gandhi ji was given the voter ID card, or she was eligible to vote in India, though she was not the citizen? K.C. Venugopal stood up and said, can you prove it whether she voted in 1980 or not?
Delhi court has issued a notice. Is seeking a reply from Sonia Gandhi.
That reply will be given in the court.
That's what I'm saying. So the court is seeking a reply from Sonia Gandhi.
And as far as the state...
From Amit Shah ji.
No.
Reply.
And yes, of course, what is going in the court, let the decision come out, then we'll see what happens.
No, 1 second. Allow him to finish. No, allow him to finish, please. No, Tehseen, you spoke. Tehseen, you spoke. Okay, Tehseen, you spoke. Allow Vivek Silas to come. Yes.
And as far as the BLOs are concerned, it is a state subject, as you said in the beginning of your show. 10 BLOs have died.
आज जो पार्लियामेंट में हुआ, that is Rahul versus Amit Shah.
Uttar Pradesh, ma'am.
No, 1 second. I also know that. I know that. I am also citing what the Supreme Court is saying. You don't get to decide what I'm taking seriously or not. I am also citing what the Supreme Court is saying. I am also citing what the Supreme Court is saying. If it is happening in Uttar Pradesh, the UP government is also responsible to ensure that the stress level reduces. That's what the Supreme Court said, isn't it? So it is going to apply to all the states.
Why do you ask this question to us?
I am not asking you on BLOs. Vivek ji, जवाब नहीं देना है. I didn't ask you on BLOs. Wake up, sir. I didn't ask you on BLOs. What did I ask you? I said आप क्या स्टैंड लेंगे, क्योंकि आपके पार्टी के 2 लीडर्स 2 अलग राय रख रहे हैं. एक पूछ रहे हैं राहुल गांधी से कि आपको जर्मनी जाना है तो आप बने क्यों लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन. मैंने आपसे बीएलओ पे कब पूछा? नहीं, मैंने आपसे कब पूछा बीएलओ पे? राहुल गांधी का स्टैंड नहीं ले रहे, इसीलिए आप बीएलओ पे चले जाते हैं.
If he is going to Germany in 15, it is a personal matter.
Personal matter? Then don't say you don't allow. You don't allow
half
me
of the
to
time
speak
the Prime
in the
Minister is
parliament.
outside India. What do you have to say about that?
He is going on an official visit. This is IOC event. पहले ये जानकारी तो ले लीजिए.
नहीं पता है.
किस इवेंट के लिए?
इंडियन ओवरसीज कांग्रेस के इवेंट में वो जर्मनी जा रहे हैं.
जी. और प्रधानमंत्री?
क्या
प्रधानमंत्री कहाँ जा रहे हैं? क्यों जा रहे हैं?
अरे प्रधानमंत्री तो लोकसभा में कितनी बार आए आप बताइए.
विवेक
क्या अटेंडेंस रही है?
ये गोल पोस्ट
कितनी बार
करिए
अटेंडेंस बताइए हमको.
करिए अटेंडेंस कंपैरिजन.
कितनी बार रहे हैं वो लोग?
करिए ना अटेंडेंस कंपैरिजन. पर मेरे सवाल का जवाब दीजिए. राहुल गांधी कहते हैं कि मेरी आवाज दबाई जाती, मुझे बोलने नहीं दिया जाता. अभी सेशन बचा है, अभी बचा है सेशन. उससे पहले ही वो चले जर्मनी.
नहीं तो अभी सेशन बचा है. अगर वो जाना चाहते हैं तो आई थिंक तहसीन इज अ बेटर पर्सन टू.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. नो 1 सेकंड तहसीन. बाकी लोगों को
समाजवादी पार्टी इज नॉट रिस्पांसिबल.
आईपी सिंह को समझाइए ये बात.
ये बेचारा क्या बोल रहा है?
नहीं, आईपी सिंह को समझाइए.
यू टेल मी.
आप आईपी सिंह को समझाइए ये बात.
समाजवादी पार्टी आई विल बी एबल टू आस्क यू. आई विल बी एबल टू आंसर यू बेटर.
आईपी सिंह कौन है? आईपी सिंह कौन?
आईपी सिंह इज अ स्पोक्सपर्सन ऑफ द समाजवादी पार्टी.
समाजवादी पार्टी की है ना. तो फखरुल हसन चांद की बात आप मान लेंगे कि ये पर्सनल है, आपको नहीं पूछना चाहिए, और आईपी सिंह की बात नहीं मानेंगे? उनका ट्वीट है स्क्रीन पर.
वहां से लिख के आ गया पीएमओ से और आप सब लोगों वही सेम ट्वीट कर दिया. हो गया आपका.
अरे सर,
आपकी विचारधारा.
अरे सर, ये कहां से जानकारी लेकर आ रहे हैं आईपी सिंह? किसने इन पर प्रेशर बनाया है ये डालने के लिए?
नहीं, आईपी सिंह किससे जानकारी लेकर आए? वो आईपी सिंह से पूछिए.
अरे आईपी सिंह सिंह कांग्रेस
मैंने तो उनका ट्वीट भी नहीं देखा।
कांग्रेस के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं, राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं, तो आपको पता करना चाहिए कि किसके साथ आजकल संपर्क में और कहां से लाइन लिख करके आ रही है. आई वांट टू गो अक्रॉस टू Ishkaran Bhandari. Ishkaran Bhandari, the moment you ask about Rahul Gandhi going on vacation during important events or leaving the session midway going to Germany for an IOC event, तो आप पीएमओ से चिट्ठी लिख के आ रही है, आपके पास स्क्रिप्ट लिख के आ रही है, आप वो बोल रहे हैं, सवाल भी नहीं पूछ सकते क्या?
Why does Rahul Gandhi go on vacation? Should this be discussed? Let me give you my perspective. A member of parliament draws a salary, gets a fancy house, gets various benefits to work for the people, and part of the duty is to be in the parliament. Those are your working days so that you can address the issues of your constituency. And if you are the leader of opposition, you can address the issues of the opposition. That is why a leader of opposition gets a fancy bungalow. These are your prime working days as the leader of opposition in parliament. In your working days, drawing the salaries and the benefits you draw, if you go out, it is a legitimate question of media to ask, how dare you go out while you are on job? Would any other government servant get these many holidays while being on salary? It is only a member of parliament who can have this privilege, and very few have this level of privilege that Mr. Rahul Gandhi has. That is why, because the taxpayer are paying for all of this, every taxpayer has the right to raise this question, and the media must hold to account. Now let us come to the second aspect of it. My friend Tehseen is there, he understands every issue, but he cannot address the real problem, because anybody who addresses the real problem gets shunted out of Congress. The real question is, what is the duty of LOP, or what is the duty of a leader of any opposition party? That is to bring his party to power by legitimate means. But if you flop once, twice, thrice, generally you are left out in a democratic setup. A new leadership emerges because people have rejected you for whatever reasons, not going into it. People are not convinced by you, and the reason for that is also clear. In US, there is a debate. Whom do you want to pick the phone up at 4 a.m. if there is a war or if there is a crisis? With a leader of opposition traveling so frequently, do you think people in India do not think tomorrow if you were in power and there was a crisis, where would you be in the world if you are so used
but Ishkaran Bhandari, according to Tausif Rehman, people don't want to talk about all of that. They don't want to go back to 1930s.
Let me just finish.
And they don't want to talk about Rahul Gandhi's visits.
Just 10 seconds more.
Okay, all right.
10 seconds more. This is not.
We are stuck with this whole agenda.
You may be. Allow others to speak. ठीक है, allow others to speak.
It's a question to me. Yeah, it's a question to me. This is not a tiny European country with first world standards of work-life balances where you travel so frequently. If you are in power, who will be holding the government to account? Okay. Who will be answering crisis if you are so used to traveling? So these are all legitimate political questions.
Okay, legitimate political questions, Tehseen.
And nobody can answer, because to answer them you will have to bluntly hold the party in power. To answer them you will have to hold the leadership accountable, which none can dare to do.
Okay, Tehseen Poonawalla wants to come in.
There are two. Ishkaran raised some very valid points. In times of crisis, who would you turn to? And I agree with Ishkaran, totally agree with him. Who would you turn to? So let me jog the viewers of Times Now down three crises our great nation faced. 14 February 2019, the Pulwama attack. Where was the most honorable Prime Minister? Let me remind them that during the Pahalgam attack, the most honorable Prime Minister was in Saudi Arabia. Let me remind them that during the Delhi terror attack, after the Delhi attack, terror attack, after that happened, recently, the most honorable Prime Minister went to Bhutan to celebrate the King's birthday. Where was the most honorable Prime Minister? Where is the leader of opposition? When the leader of opposition is in India, he is not invited for a state banquet which we host. And you are asking us official or unofficial program. Official programs in our nation, we are not invited. Let me come to the third point on Sonia Ji, and I'll end here with one data to your viewers. This motivated petition filed against Sonia Ji. Sonia Ji will reply, you're right, Swati, but so will MHA have to reply. So will Amit Shah sir also have to reply. And one last thing, this is data from NCRB. I challenged the participants, and I request the viewers of Times Now to Google, Grok or Gemini me and fact check me. The total refugees removed by the weak government of Manmohan Singh Ji with the weak government of Akhilesh Yadav Ji was 88,792 from 10 years. In 10 years of the strong government of Modi Ji and Amit Shah Ji, 2,566 illegal refugees are removed. A minister of them tweeted a 2-bedroom house in Lucian's Delhi for refugees.
Okay.
Please tell us which is a strong and weak government. Please fact check me on
Okay, I want to quickly bring in Kishore Tiwari before Dr. Ajay Alok or Ishkaran Bhandari or Sujata want to respond to that. Kishore Tiwari ji, Rahul Gandhi says he's blocked from meeting foreign dignitaries, official events में invite नहीं करते, but he misses Vande Mataram debate, does not attend Independence Day, Republic Day, CGI swearing in, VP swearing in, question पूछेंगे पार्लियामेंट में, वॉकआउट कर जाएंगे, उसके बाद जर्मनी चले जाएंगे. क्या है आपकी राय किशोर तिवारी जी? व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद कांग्रेस?
नहीं, ये देखो स्वाति, मुझे लगा तुम भूल गई मुझे. हाँ, अब मुझे चांस दिया तो मैं बताऊंगा कि मैंने अमित शाह जी का भाषण पूरा सुना. हाँ. और तहसीन भाषण तो उन्होंने अच्छा दिया, लेकिन भाषण के जो पॉइंट है, हाँ, वो जो लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन ने उठाए थे उसका एक भी जवाब नहीं दिया. लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन करेगा क्या स्वाति? हमको वॉकआउट करना पड़ा. अरे हम पूछ क्या रहे कि तुम इलेक्शन में धांधली कर रहे, ईसीआई तुम्हारा पेरोल पर है, और इलेक्शन महाराष्ट्र का जो इलेक्शन देख चुके हैं, अब बिहार का देख लो. अरे इस प्रकार के चुनाव होते हैं और अमित शाह कहते हैं इतना तुम्हारा विश्वास नहीं है तो लड़ते क्यों है? ऐसे ही हुआ था बांग्लादेश में, शेख हसीना के खिलाफ में विपक्ष लड़ा नहीं था. अब साथी में एक बहुत दिनों के बाद आया हूं, तो तुम्हारी वो सलाह आपने बताई कि विपक्ष के नेता 2 दिन के बाद क्यों नहीं चले जाते, सेशन के बाद क्यों नहीं चले जाते. विपक्ष के नेता ने बताया कि मेरा ये प्री डिसाइडेड प्रोग्राम था, 2 दिन से मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ, सब बोला उन्होंने. आपने सब इग्नोर किया. लेकिन मैं आपको बोलता हूँ कि स्वाति, तुम्हारा यह संदेशा मैं राहुल गांधी जी को बता दूंगा कि
प्लीज बता दीजिएगा, प्लीज बता दीजिएगा राहुल गांधी जी को संदेशा, और पहुंचा दीजिएगा, भिजवा दीजिएगा किशोर तिवारी जी. लेकिन मैंने जो आपसे सवाल पूछा, किशोर तिवारी जी, जो मैंने आपसे सवाल पूछा, उस पर भी तो आप जवाब दीजिए ना. उस पर भी तो जवाब दीजिए, उस पर भी तो जवाब दीजिए. महाराष्ट्र में जो धांधली आप करते हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या जवाब दिया? महाराष्ट्र में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या कहा इलेक्शन के बारे में?
अभी 116 पिटीशन. और
आप लोग कहते हैं कि हमको ईवीएम का आर्किटेक्चर एक्सेस करने दीजिए. हैकाथॉन ऑर्गेनाइज किया था. एक सेकंड, इलेक्शन कमीशन सब हैक हो गया था. इलेक्शन कमीशन के सामने ईवीएम्स हैक कर दिए गए थे वहां.
अरे 1 मिनट मेरी बात सुनो. तुम 3 महीने पहले चुनाव होते हैं और उसके बाद चुनाव होते हैं तो चमत्कार हो रहे हैं. अभी तो हमने जो चुनाव पे यकीन करना बंद कर दिया. लेकिन स्वाति, एक बात मैं बता रहा हूं, तुम्हारी सलाह तो मैं दे दूंगा. हाँ. लेकिन प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने 12 साल में 116 ट्रिप की और 85% ट्रिप उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट्री सेशन के दौरान.
अच्छा, अब आप उनको ये बोल दीजिए एज प्राइम मिनिस्टर, अगर आपको कोई ऑफिशियल स्टेट विजिट पर बुलाता है, आप मना कर दीजिए, बोल दीजिए कि मैं नहीं आऊंगा. आप दे दीजिए सलाह. मैं तो नहीं पहुंचा सकती आपकी सलाह प्रधानमंत्री तक, आप बोल दीजिए. यहीं से आप अपनी एडवाइस दे दीजिए. मणिपुर यहीं से आप अपनी एडवाइस दे दीजिए. लेट सुजाता कम इन. सुजाता, राहुल गांधी जाते हैं तो आप लोग इतना क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं. व्हाट अबाउट प्राइम मिनिस्टर गोइंग ड्यूरिंग द पार्लियामेंट सेशंस?
Swati, first of all, comparing the Prime Minister, the head of the state, the representation that he does to the world for India, and comparing him to a LOP is absolutely, it's misleading and it's politically tone deaf. Every trip that Prime Minister does, it has the notice is given out. It has the entire visit laid out, and everything is known to the public. All the deals, all the MOUs that are signed is out in the public. We do not know what this LOP goes through. We do not even know what Congress party has signed the agreement with the Chinese Communist Party, and we don't know what that agreement was when Rahul Gandhi was not on a constitutional post, when Priyanka Gandhi and Robert Vadra was not on a constitutional post. But let me just come to the point. And Kishore Tiwari ji, मैं आपके बीच में नहीं बोली.
नहीं, किशोर तिवारी जी, एक सेकंड, you cannot do that. No. You cannot do that. Nobody interjected. किसी ने आपकी आवाज को नहीं दबाया. बोलने दीजिए सुजाता को. Go ahead.
अरे कोई मूर्खतापूर्ण बात करेगा तो
नहीं. ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? क्या मूर्खतापूर्ण बात है इसमें? क्या मूर्खतापूर्ण हो गई बात?
अरे लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन प्राइम मिनिस्टर के एक्ट पर होते। क्या
लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन आईओसी के इवेंट के लिए जा रहे हैं, वहां जाकर जर्मन मिनिस्टर से मिल रहे हैं। वो कह रहे हैं कि मुझे ब्लॉक कर दिया जाता है, फॉरेन डिग्निटरीज से मिलने के लिए नहीं दिया जाता है, और वहां कैसे जाकर के वो मिल रहे हैं जर्मन मिनिस्टर से? आईओसी के इवेंट के लिए वो जा रहे हैं। मूर्खतापूर्ण, आपको दूसरों की बात मूर्खतापूर्ण लग रही, सारा ज्ञान आप ही के पास है। सुजाता प्लीज कंटिन्यू। यस
Swati, please. Swati, let's decode today. You know, the only model of politics that the opposition has mastered, that is called fake narrative model of politics. You know, the steps are 5. The first step is they invent a crisis. Sometimes they say democracy is dead. Sometimes they say economy is dead. Sometimes they say institutions are compromised. And when nothing works out, they say people are also compromised because the mandates are against them. Then the step 2 is that they position themselves as victim. मेरा माइक बंद कर दिया जाता है, मैं इसलिए हार जाता हूं क्योंकि SIR ठीक से नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि इलेक्शन कमीशन मेरे लिए काम नहीं करता, सरकार के लिए काम करता है। स्टेप 3, अटैक द रेफरी itself, you know, attack the judiciary, attack the election commission, mock the media, call them Godi media, you know, mock the parliament proceedings, mock the entire democracy altogether. And the step 4 is the walkout whenever you are confronted. Today when Amit Shah said कि चलो आज बात करते हैं, क्या है SIR? SIR है क्लीन रोल। अगर क्लीन रोल में से इलीगल इमिग्रेंट को हटाया जा रहा है, मरे हुए इलेक्ट्रॉल से उनको हटाया जा रहा है, एक्सपायर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉल्स को हटाया जा रहा है, what is the problem? Are those your voters? Is Rahul Gandhi saying that the illegal immigrants are Rahul Gandhi's voters? You know, this was rejected. And the step 5 is that they come and reset. You have observed this in Pegasus. You observed it in Rafale. You observed this in
narrative building. Narrative building. You are saying. I just have 2 minutes left for this debate. I quickly want to accommodate everybody's viewpoint. So please be brief. Tehseen Poonawalla.
Sujata very rightly said that infiltrators must be kicked out. There are 19 lakh infiltrators in Assam. Why aren't they being kicked out? In Bihar, the most honorable Home Minister made the entire campaign about infiltrators. Apparently, 390 were found. Sujata, I never spoken between anybody.
Okay.
390 were found. How many have been kicked out? 0. Please, let me finish, Sujata. Don't interrupt me. But the fact, Sujata, please, just 1 minute. But the fact of the matter is, the most honorable Home Minister misled this country. The immunity that the CC always enjoyed is true, but they did not enjoy immunity from acts of criminality, which has now come in after 1991 for the
quick rebuttal, Dr.
That is the problem.
Dr. Ajay Alok, quick rebuttal.
Criminality is criminal.
Okay, quick rebuttal.
Even the president doesn't enjoy it.
Ajay Alok.
It is the same immunity that is enjoyed by
after listening to all of the panelists, I guess
because they,
Ajay Alok, continue,
after listening to all the panelists, I'm pretty much convinced that this Rahul Gandhi effect is quite strong. I mean, people are doing analogy from PM visit and LOP visit. किशोर तिवारी जी, उम्र ज्यादा हो गई है आपकी, तो मैं आपको ज्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहता हूं, लेकिन प्राइम मिनिस्टर का विजिट 2 महीने पहले तय हो जाता है. And officers from the country go there before and they fix everything in hand. It's not like that he's going to have a holiday there. And the Prime Minister represents the country there. He's doing a job for the country. He's not holidaying around. दिमाग का घर पे छोड़ के आएगा.
नहीं, इस तरह की बातें नहीं करेंगे कोई. प्लीज उम्र पे और दिमाग घर पर छोड़, इस तरह के कमेंट्स नहीं, प्लीज इस तरह के कमेंट्स नहीं. तौसीफ रहमान, please come in. Okay, I'm trying to accommodate everybody's views. Tawseef Rahman.
30 seconds, Swati. I don't know whether I'll get the answer. I'll get back to Bengal. If the SIR is truly necessary, why was it not conducted after 2023 Panchayat election? There was a full year between 2023 Panchayat polls and the 2024 Lok Sabha election.
Okay.
Why is it being done now, Swati?
SIR होना चाहिए कि नहीं? First make up your mind. First make up your mind. If you trust the process, allow it to happen. और एक दूसरी तरफ आप कहते हैं पहले क्यों नहीं हुआ? Ishkaran Bhandari.
No data, Swati, and no idea of what is happening.
Swati, let me just 2 brief points. Can I speak? If whoever is shouting, if you can lower the feeder, just 2 brief points. Firstly, why the need to protect election commissioners? You see what is happening in the judiciary. You don't like a judgment, you move an impeachment motion. That is the level to which certain people are falling. That is why you need protection for people doing their constitutional jobs. And if they are not doing it, then that's a different answer.
But nothing is
the second aspect, nobody on this debate answered. Should a person, 1 second, let me finish.
Normal people are dying.
Nobody on this debate answered. Should a person
Should
least
the,
comment
let me
on them.
finish now.
Not only in
Let me
Bengal,
finish. Why
but
are you
UP and
panicking so
everywhere
much?
people
Let
are
me finish.
dying.
I didn't interrupt you. Why are you
Tausif,
jumping?
Tausif, allow him
Why
to
are
finish.
you?
I
Why
have to
are
wrap
you
up the
jumping?
debate. Okay,
Let me
Ishkaran.
finish my point. Why the panic? Why the panic? The second entire 40 minutes, nobody answered. Should somebody on taxpayers' money, drawing a salary in the house, have these many vacations while the parliament is down? It's a vacation. He is not going to a delegation of leaders of oppositions of the various countries of the world. He is going on a vacation. That's what's being informed in
Okay,
media.
it's a vacation,
Should a
says
person
Ishkaran
on
Bhandari.
taxpayer
Why should
money
he be
have
allowed
these
to?
many vacations in a
Okay,
year?
do
During
that
30 days?
on people's money. So is Rahul Gandhi proving the Home Minister right? We heard the panelists. Let's also listen into how the viewers watching the debate are responding to this. Subha Setu Raman says Rahul is still in Nehruvian mindset. Let's also take a look at how people have polled. And this is the question we asked. So leader is the reason. Leader, not Chori, behind Congress's losses. Is Home Minister Amit Shah right? 87% people have voted yes, 12% say no, and only 1 say that they're not able to make up their mind. With that, I'm wrapping up debate number 1. But Dr. Ajay Alok, Ishkaran Bhandari, Syed Asad Abbas will continue to be with us for debate number 2 as well.